Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming out to you with this 100% human hair one from Amazon, and it's called Loyal Blue Lace Front Wig 13x4 size adjustable HD lace blue. Look, I'm gonna put it like this so you can see if you wanted to order it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Loyal Blue, and it's from Amazon. Here's what it came in. Nope, no goodies, no nothing like that. Just the hair come with a freaking what do you call it? Elastic band. But they should come with elastic bands. And then it came. This is how long it is. 24 inches. It says pre-plugged, but I don't think it really is. I really gotta do something to it. I mean, it's okay, but not like where I like it. So, but it comes with a comb on top, and then it comes on the side, one in the back, and it's like free parting a little bit, 13x4. It doesn't smell too bad. So, with that said, stay tuned and you'll see me customize and install. Alright. So now it's for the install. So before I do this, I'm going to show you what I did. I went ahead and curled it off camera. See? Just because it was real thin. There's not a lot of density in this one. And yeah, that's the reason why I did it. Give it some life, some volume. Okay. So first I'm going to start with some rubbing alcohol, but I'm going to use the alcohol swab. You make me look. So I'm all done. I think it looks good. See? Hey, the curls give it volume because it was rubbed in for my face because I have like a big head. And I didn't do that up for it. But it feels better. There. So there's a little bit of shedding, but not that bad. Over time, eventually, it's gonna shed. You know, that's just how it is. Because the more and more you pull on it, comb it, and stuff like that, it'll pull it out of the lace and out. The more you wear it and stuff like that, but you know what I mean. Like, you're still good, and you still can rock it for a long time because it's human. Just keep restyling it, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. Well, with that said, thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you.